Welcome to aminacademy.com. In pre-algebra, let us do some example problem regarding integers. Look at this example. Determine the absolute value of -8, -5, 3 and 9. First of all, what is absolute value of a number? The absolute value of an integer is defined as its distance from the origin, that is 0. Look at this number line previously explained. Here in this number line, suppose from 0 that positive 4 have distance of 4 units. At same time, look at this -4 is also a distance of 4 units. So absolute value of -4 is 4, as well as absolute value of positive 4 is also 4. Now here absolute value we can represent like two lines, vertical lines, like we have to write inside the -8, means it represent absolute value of -8, which is equal 8, means absolute value of positive as well as negative is also positive only. Now absolute value of -5 like is equal 5, absolute value of 3 is equal 3, and absolute value of 9, even it's positive, the answer is positive itself, 9. Next one, determine the value of each expression. Here negative of negative number. Here negative of -12, that is negative of -12 is equal only positive 12. Here negative of absolute -20. First of all, absolute -20 is positive 20, but outside is negative. So first you have to write negative of -20, which is equal negative of absolute value of -20 is 20, therefore which is equal -20. Here negative of absolute value of 30. First of all, absolute value of 30 is only 30, so negative of 30 is -30. One more example. Profit and losses for the first 6 months of the fiscal year for a business are shown in the table. The profit and losses are in the thousands. Represent this information in bar graph and line graph. Here month is given here and profit and loss in thousands given. February, January, February, March, April, May, June for 6 months. Here first let us do a bar graph for this information. Here the x-axis month, name of the months are given, and y-axis the profit and loss is given. Here January it have 10,000 profit, so we have to note a point here 10. Here we have to draw a bar graph for this 10 value. Means we can draw roughly like here this is a bar of 10 units. Next on February for 8. Here this we can put 8. For March for 12. March. April have -5, so it's going down. Here this is -5. April is -5. May is -8 for this year. -8, and March is 6 is an May, April, May, June. June is 6. Your 6 is your approximate values. Now we can shade the graphs also, because it's a bar graph. You can shade the bars. The same information we can note it in number graph, like here. Same, this is January is 10. Put the dot graph here. January is 10, and February is 8. February is 8, and March 12. April is -5 here. April -5. May -8. May is -8, and June is 6. Now we can join this graph by here. For this we have to join with those points. We'll change the color here, like it's called a line graph. April is here. Join like April, May, January, February, yeah. Then here. For April, April is -8, May is minus here. Now joining like now. From this we have to join these points. This line graph represent those information. So here bar graph and line graph is given to represent a given information. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.